Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy name is Jerome Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Jerome Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Big up Jamaican police. I respect everything you're doing. I watch you every day. Man, and when I tell you, I am so happy for what you are doing. And when you say the truth bites, I could tell it bites. Bless up again. Bless up. I love your program, man. I watch you every single day. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, so we want to thank that elderly listener, you know, listen to the Jamaica Young Police Channel and always tuning in and letting everyone know that, you know, she enjoyed the program. So today, yes, you're looking at a man at your upper left, and the man beside him, that is Peter Bunting. So we're letting the, yeah man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts is a big known coke dealer in a Clarendon, living in Manchester. This is the same man who had brought a man from Haiti to kill the Prime Minister Andrew Willis. That's the man at the top right there. Yes, he had brought a man from Haiti. We have done a video about it here. The man was in Warwick Hill. So the same M16s that he had, you know, this man had brought from, Guy Philippe had brought from Haiti, came into, that was distributed between Warwick Hill and South Clarendon. That's owned by Rocky Point, where this man have influence, Rocky Point, wait a bit, and all these places. I used to station in Clarendon as a young police officer, so I know about all of these drug dealers. Not friends, I'm not friends with them. They don't know me because, you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to hear a policeman who used to work at a mobile reserve. He lives in the United States of America. And this policeman, he is defending Kevin Tillibert Roberts. Those of you who want to hear the full audio, the conversation of this policeman defending this drug dealer, it will be on Patreon in its fullness. But for now, others, you'll get it. We'll give it to you, various parts. It's gonna be in a 10-part series. Yeah, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. So this is part 4 of the 10-part series. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. I will tell you over here now. I will give you the real mama papa truth. Remember, to share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And most important, just post a comment that I am here to show that that you're tuning into the Jamaica Young Police channel. If you notice Mark Golden and them thing there, say him the born in Jamaica, England in born, because I'm a Jamaican birth certificate,
No, Jamaican birth certificate.
Virgin, last year, the first time Jamaican people are here, me tell them last year after people them dead at Gregory Park. You see, just like you see, him have people in a film circle were close to him in a PMP criminal organization. And them see him on call and tell me, last year after the killing of people them, when them burn out the people them and kill them, Gregory Park, because same people in the PMP say no, we don't want this kind of politics at Jamaica with this violence. And we see Mark Golden, that's why them push him out and them thing there and tell we. It's like how me attack you and tell me and say, look here, me can put my neck on the block. You understand? And tell us that this man the born of Jamaica, England in born, him have no the passport where him get the passport with no documentation. Him the born of Jamaica, him have no
Jamaica. Get the passport with no documentation.
I mean, say PMP is a criminal organization. I mean, at them in a power, them just fill out the form and them just give me passport. That's it. Him not go through nothing.
At the time when he get it?
Yes, there was no certification and not like how me I apply for it. I saw him get film passport, the Jamaican passport. Why you think him can't renew it? I'm on the birth certificate. Him not have none.
Why they not arrest him?
Hey, look here. The Jamaican Labour Party not stay like the PMP. If it was a PMP, you see like how you see people them which for me come from the jungle in a January I fire up new M16 and them thing. Yes, and just like what you see at Mama Valley. You know, say the PMP would have send the military and the police on there and lock down there and who for dead and who for live. You know, until they get all like gun them. You know that?
Yeah.
I mean, you know the police.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Anytime the PMP call election, which part them what them always do first before they call the election?
Say jungle.
No, when the government do anytime when the PMP in a government and them all call election, the first thing they do before they call election. When they use the security force and do.
They go shoot some man.
Yeah, which part them always go? Oh,
Tivoli.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Yeah, what me ask you, you labor at our PMP police?
I don't know that.
No, man, you must lean to one. Alright, may I tell you this?
When me did that, when me done a race course, me probably the PMP man them for the bandwagon, come like it. When me done Mapen, me vote for the Labour.
Well, so you know really okay. Well, me.
You understand me? Yeah, if me done a race course called PMP fraction, me jump on the bandwagon and drive around with them. But I made a Mapen town now. Me work with it. Cause you have to know where I do to.
So you understand? What name? Ramon. What name?
Ramon.
Well, this boy Jerome. Yeah, Jerome. Yeah.
No. Me see them man.
Yeah, the man a friend.
No, sir, man. Again, I meet that man once in our restaurant. I don't want restaurant at work. I mean, see that man. I mean, not that type of man.
Okay. You know, I feel them really in our drugs business and them thing there.
No, but it ain't even that.
Mm-hmm.
I see myself. I'm that mobile. Listen.
Yeah.
Mobile is a place like you have a hungry tone mobile, but it push you to go hustle for yourself. So I see myself as a leader. I don't see myself as a man, follow back on a man. Because I don't feel no man for box me, and me have to take it. You understand what I said to you?
So hold on. So you have man out there with box police and then take it?
Me don't say box.
But
me not put myself in a police.
for them man this year and them thing there.
Me talk about say Dan, and just like you say, me know that the man there.
Yeah.
Me not go around them man there. Cause me not want the man talk to me too hard and then something.
Yeah, you know the man this year and them thing there.
No, so you run your own thing. You understand? Me ain't no crew thing, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I have no time for that. But me will do whatever me I do by myself.
For survive.
Yes, me not follow back on no man. Cause me can't go take no, and a man I go say, you know, no, me not like that. Me see the guy already. I saw him before. But I say that me have one. Oh, are you did that? You didn't make a video on. No, me not touch your subject. Yeah, man. So I tell you now, say, me not believe in a go behind people. Cause if I was like that, I would force myself to not behind till about them. You understand myself? If I was a man with follow, we push myself behind people.
Okay. Okay. So all right. Let me ask. So you know the fat detective where them say always they run him.
You know, remember, so maybe a long time that.
Okay.
Never seen.
Cause I'm always there a certain gas station and me when play domino and them thing there.
Gas station.
Right?
Okay, so detective today. Well, okay, detective. So me know.
You know who me attack?
Mr. H.
No man, call him name man. I Clarin and people them. Hey, look here. Hey, look here. Someone me tell us something. Yeah. All right, look here between me and them thing there. You know, say when me from me, you know, say you see all the youth where them kill where the man them are me pen them kill and them carry lure my son catching and kill him. You remember that youth there?
Police kill him?
No man, and a gunman kill him man. I don't remember him name. Him have a funny name and them thing there. We say him rich
Where
and
come from?
me pen man. And
Gregory.
no man, one youth him did upon YouTube. I don't remember him name right now and them thing there. But it's a boy who have money in him, the rich. And the man them borrow money.
Bill Gates.
A Bill Gates them call him?
No man, Bill Gates is dead down at Cunningham. So me at Spanish Town, you say?
Yeah man, them kill him at one place at Spanish Town. It's a boy who have money in him man. He must druggies and them thing and all kind of thing. But it's like look before them kill him, it's like him not lose him head. Him did have an illegal gun and they on camera and them thing.
Oh, see that boy they on YouTube, yeah, we must say.
Yeah.
Yeah, how much million and this and that, yeah.
You know, say another him tell though. Yeah man,
yeah man, so you that Spanish Town tell me say.
yeah man, another him tell. Alright, then you know, say between me and them thing that alright, you see when me not talk about Serpy and me not talk, you know.
Oh.
Yeah man, me talk to people. And you know, say I see him boy them I stew them kill him and all them thing then. Me get all the people them number and all of them something, but you understand? Yeah man. When you hear me talk and them thing there, me talk him me know
you have a big house and all.
Yeah man, him analyze me not tell them thing there. Him friend them kill him man.
I saw me here saying was like that.
Yeah man, him did have money for true man. Him have money, you understand?
I mean, me have my son Spanish on, so my Spanish son that tell me so. Yeah man,
yeah man, when you can't do man, you tell till back here come and defend himself, you know.
When I get into that, but when I say why me the result to you know?
Yeah.
Is remember say your platform is truth.
Yeah man, know what I mean? Then hey look here, we don't know everything. Hey look here, we don't know everything. Stop right there. Pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy, led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others, manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on, to today's video. You know, so that's why people can't come and correct it. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
It's so simple as that. So just like what you said, just like
the topic them in the pan, you know. So me don't know nothing else about nothing. So you me can talk about that one topic there.
yeah.
You get me? So me now go in a one next topic. If you say one next something, I go tell you say me now no proof of that. But you know that topic there? I did through Jerome so we can talk about it.
Yeah.
That man I get involved. That man that more say give out the people their money.
Mm.
You understand? I tell him that's more say give out the people their money. You're dead. You understand? I tell you.
So when you say him a better somebody than Natty Pink, Natty Wink.
You mean Natty Wink that friend hide and I said go hurt people, Betty.
But I'm up on New York that you wouldn't know.
Yeah, Brooklyn.
So how am I hide on them thing there? Can't till you back here and come foreign. Till you back here and come America. Till you back here and come America. Can't even come in my guard jail.
I don't know nothing about that part there. They say my guard jail for.
Them till you ban a big drugs dealer, man. I mean for what?
Then then why they wouldn't go film Jamaica if he did want it?
Well, because them now.
Because at the time, me and police say, I got prison this year. I don't even know Mr. Ellington that yard, I drink coffee. He man have big, when you get a big post there in the bus business.
In the labor, with the labor, yeah man. Then
me listen to
propaganda.
No, me not spew them or something.
Boy, when Ellington a thief still though. May I ask you?
People say that thing.
Yeah, man. They don't know the boy. You don't know the boy from Stone Crusher gang. What them did kill Doggy. So you know say Doggy Ellington name in a Doggy diary.
Wait, what they said? But say boy Ellington.
Well, him saying got Ellington mother 9 night at Glengarth and all them. So that's why they don't release the diary. Why government not release the diary?
Say Ingo there.
Yeah man, him and Liber Rancher and them thing there.
Oh, the boy Doggy?
Yeah, guy.
But remember, the Doggy was an enforcer, so if Ramcharam have him run him. I know him. Maybe you not go to. Think about it. It's possible. I remember say, then if politician there, Jamaica, politician a gunman round them. Me not hear you call him politician name. Also one gunman run a juggle the road. I'm not going go there. So what if the commissioner go? Think about me, I said to you.
No, whenever say Ellington and Dog, your friend, you know, we just say where boy write in a diary. So we say why the government afraid to release a diary? Because he is damaging thing in it with people. Because him spill some things, you understand what I'm saying? But yet still, you know, remember say when Ellington a commissioner of police, you know, any police will associate with a man like Liber Ramchar, he might kick you out of your work. But yet still, so that's why I say my thief, him alone for a friend where involved in nefarious things.
You say any police who had
any police who have friend who involved in a drug, Ellington kick you out of work. But him have the biggest drug dealers friend them. So that's why I'm saying my thief.
Oh, okay.
When you're a thief, you know, if you try to kill the next man with a thief. Allow him. Make somebody who is a thief do it.
That's true.
That's some you see it and them thing there. But if
true.
you notice the police them with a thief, at them like for kill the police with a thief. Make somebody else do it, you know.
That's true. But you know, so we are Jamaican, so we see to crab in a bar syndrome, and we prove on one another.
Well, Mr. Man, hey, look here, me no fight again. Hey, look here, the only thing me tell you on them thing from my police, me no like thieving police. Police not for thief.
I understand,
yeah, you know, for rob people and them thing there as police. The people them supposed to feel safe from safes because you.
That's true. Once you set out to do them things.
You're a criminal man. You're not police.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's why I don't rate them man there's no police and them thing. Them man they are carousing, you know. You understand? And pretend like all a man a charge a thief for dishonesty become commissioner of police. You know, say a criminal's paradise that.
That's when it case with the school where it is.
Yeah, you understand, yeah. That for sure, you say Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. They don't want honest people to lead the police.
But I say you approve innocent and improve. Like say look for Mr. Trump, the same thing. So they say them follow the law, the land.
No man, Donald Trump is a convicted felon.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what I tell you. Say,
in America, if you have a record, you can run for president in the law.
Boy, I know, but you know, and you can't vote. So, if you be, yeah, but I know that, and who you think them did that? Why you think them have them lad? Are black people them do it against you know?
True.
Because when them used to do them tell life on black people and give criminal record. We live in a wicked place, you know, when it come on to black people, you know.
That's true.
So that's why when we say all black people say them a support Donald Trump, I'm afraid of them like puss.
So the police them are go and good door.
Yeah man, boy, may I tell you first we see the police them get the support. Hey, look here. You have to give Prime Minister credit still because you say come out and defend the police them Friday.
Yes man, me love that man.
Boy, may I tell you. Yeah, well, you know, say them, say the only Prime Minister ever do something like that, Edward Seaga though, with different Edward. Look here, Virgin, when we are police and Edward Seaga Prime Minister, for you as a policeman, for evil, charged with murder, it's a very extreme.
True, man. Remember, in my days, you know, when in Hanover the document, they want them a man at dust. They want about 13 gunmen, known gunmen.
Yeah, man, from Tivoli.
MP, you remember Paris at the time?
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Nobody ever do that.
No other. All right, no other politician. You see it.
Never do that. So, you know, very highly respected.
Yeah, man. Then, hey, look here. Our man no born and grow in a PMP community love a man like him because the man stand for law and order. Me, when Edward Seaga Prime Minister was safe, me could have walked from concrete jungle downtown up here. Nobody can tell me say I lie me I tell because me do it all the while. And the guy couldn't ask you where you come from. No artificial borderline there. Because Edward Seaga said then you know, him say I want than that Jamaica and him you know. And him say man and the Prime Minister for the people them are the people them are Tivoli. Him a Prime Minister for every Jamaican. And him say if you trouble any of my citizens them, me I send my police them come for you. And about if you say jail, you go when them come. You understand? Yeah, man.
And like our government are investing in police too.
Yeah, for real.
You know, I love that. So there's some positive with the country. That's why money.
Why? Yeah, the police they need to get better pay still though, cause a man is supposed to get paid today and you broke today, you know.
Broke tomorrow.
You put it too far, man. Today you get paid today and broke today.
I when we realize, it's still like say with other foreign, you see some people like the police and you see police and the police are look on you brethren that's a boy, coach, you man them over there, so man. You have to feel funny. So you know, say that is authority. But Jamaica people have this thing about him where if you disrespect police.
No, because let me tell you a reason for that. Because I PMP criminal organization.
That's true, yeah. Give them.
You see, when I tell you this, when me a young police, when Edward Seaga Prime Minister, me alone could have left on a coaster bus or a Tata.
As a police and
come and people help me for the lock up anybody on the bus. Me I tell you that. I PMP come in and change all of them something.
Yeah, man.
The country not come back on track, you know, until Mike. You know, say Hurricane Gilbert. You know, say I see him PMP then it pay the JPS man them for sabotage the country why we never get back light until after a PMP then win.
You serious?
Then the same thing you see them do right now. Alright, the same thing, the same boy till about do down a Clarendon. So you know, say down a water lane. You know, say a two a theme boy them come out with AK-47. Same place down there, South Clarendon. Him and the council, I tell the people them if you left a tree them in a road and them thing there. Cause I government for take move them.
When we since you ready?
You know, they know I me do it. Since the hurricane, Tiliba do it. Him Tiliba, Peter Bunting, Miguel Phillips, and Jess. You understand? Them a sabotage the con. Yeah, so we have reached to the end of part 4 of this 10-part series. I hope you're enjoying it so far. You know, part 5 will be coming up same time tomorrow. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.